Question lang. I can't believe na hindi mo favorite ang Hekasi, Jericho. I can't believe na hindi mo favorite ang Hekasi. Geografiya, kasaysayan, at sibika.
Adventure talaga gusto ko.
Okay.
Wala sa mga subjects ko.
Okay, no, my question is for you and for Mon Confiado.
Hey. Hi, MJ.
Given a chance, kayo ba'y tatakbong presidente today?
Nice.
Okay.
Why or why not?
Ako hindi, wala akong kahilig-hilig sa politika. Minsan hindi pumasok sa isip ko na pumasok sa politika at aminado ako na hindi ko kakayanin at wala akong alam.
Thank you for that. Echo.
The short answer is no. And the long answer is that, I just came from Tanzania and, went to Cape Town and everything, and Nelson Mandela was there. And there was a free walking tour. And basically, yun yung pinaka-solve para sa akin because the tour guide just said at the end, we just need leaders who really care. Genuinely, sincerely care. That's all you need. Everything can be learned. I never graduated. I never went to college. Nag-aral ako mag-English dahil sa television. Ang dami kong eskwelahan pinasukan. Dami mong pwedeng pag-aralan lahat, pati acting, pati yung art, lahat ng pwede mong pag-aralan online, ngayon, libro, lahat. Tanungin mo, maging producer ka, gusto mong madali. Lahat kaya mo. Pero pag wala sa puso mo, at hindi talaga genuine sa'yo, ang pag-care at pagsilbi sa isang tao, hindi mangyayari yan. Ano-ano pa kung sang buong bansa. Ang pinakamahal ko sa buhay ay ang sining. Paano ko ipagpapalit ang sining sa isang posisyon? Paano ko pagsasabayin ang sining at ito? Paano ko pagsasabayin ang ibang okasyon at ang pamumuno ng isang bansa? Hindi biro maging presidente. So ang hinihiling po namin ay ang puso mismo ng isang presidente.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I think that wraps up our Q&A. That was a beautiful question, a beautiful final answer. Here to wrap up our program, a closing message from the film's director, Direk Gerald Taro.
Okay, may background music talaga. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo and for supporting Quezon. I hope everybody watches the film starting October 15. Hindi lang dahil sa gumawa kami ng pelikula, it's really more to support the industry and the art form of cinema. Kasi alam naman natin lahat na medyo on shaky ground ang pelikula. So this is one effort from the heart, from everyone involved, na para mahila kayo lahat ulit pabalik sa sinehan. Because we all know na it's kind of, I wouldn't say dying, but it's on shaky ground. And I'm hoping na this is just one of the films na pwedeng magpabalik sa mga tao sa sinehan. And hopefully, with enough success, marami pa mga producers at filmmakers na ma-inspire na gumawa pa ng mga pelikula for the cinemas. Hindi lang para sa streaming, sa YouTube, etc. Kasi sobrang importante yung experience na nanonood tayo lahat sa sinehan. Hindi yung sa phone lang natin at sa bahay at sa TV. Sobrang importante yung myth-making, yung pagbubuo ng kwento natin as a nation. So, please support Quezon.
Thank you for that, Direk Gerald Taro. And we will, of course, give you photo opportunities with the whole cast. May I ask the whole cast to please stand and put down your water bottles. We will be clearing the chair. I think we'll also make use of the stairs, the steps. Everyone, please stay where you are. The ones on the second, the higher stage will be stepping forward. But those in the front, Direk, yes, please take a step down. There you go. Daphne, would you also like to be in the center, please? We'll first have the cast members with the producer, Daphne and Direk, and then we will be calling the rest of the production to also join in. Everybody squeeze in. Make sure nobody falls down. We proudly present to you once again the cast members of Quezon. Please do spread the word that they will be starting to show in cinemas nationwide starting October 15. Smile, everyone! Direct Gerald Taro, producer Daphne Chusun, also part of the cast. In front, can I get all the members of the prod as well? You deserve to be in the shot. Roddy, Pong, then we have the assistant directors, line producers. Let's get everyone who made the film possible. Join us on stage, please. Come on.